Saturday, the 1st of November 2025. Tunt and Shruti search for Shuli. Meanwhile, the guest compliments Tunt's designs. Sunday, the 2nd of November 2025. Rangan worries about losing the deal with the Souza. In contrast, Tunt assists Shuli when the goons strike her. Monday, the 3rd of November 2025. Somili plans to spoil Rangan's upcoming project. Elsewhere, Tunt makes a witty plan to trace out Shuli's location. Tuesday, the 4th of November 2025. Tunt brings Tapas to talk about Abhishek's ploy. Later, she decides to execute her designs alone for Rangan's fashion show. Wednesday, the 5th of November 2025. Somili and Abhishek conspire to stop Tunt from working for the upcoming fashion event. Consequently, Tunt falls prey to Somili's evil ploy. Thursday, the 6th of November 2025. The doctor medically clears Tunt, but she advises her to be careful. Meanwhile, Tunt notices Tapas and Shuli. Friday, the 7th of November 2025. Tunt assures Shuli to keep her safe from Abhishek. Later, Rangan questions Tunt for leaving the hospital uninformed. Saturday, the 8th of November 2025. Ragini and other women of the family accompany Tunt to meet the deadline. Meanwhile, Abhishek gets anxious about finding Shuli. Sunday, the 9th of November 2025. Tunt informs the family about the upcoming challengers. Later, Rangan appreciates Tunt's idea of organizing the fashion show from their showroom. Monday, the 10th of November 2025. Priyanka plans to stop Tunt's fashion show. Meanwhile, Tapas reaches the safe house where Tunt kept Shuli. Tuesday, the 11th of November 2025. Tunt requests Rangan not to cancel the event. Later, she brings a new twist to the fashion show by walking the ramp with her models. Wednesday, the 12th of November 2025. Tunt stuns the audience with her innovative fashion design collection. However, Ambarish introduces Priyanka as the designer instead of Tunt. Thursday, the 13th of November 2025. Tunt tries to hide Shuli from Abhishek and his men. However, Abhishek finds Shuli and tries to abduct her again. Friday, the 14th of November 2025. After denying her the credits, Ambarish tries to pay off Tunt. However, Tunt gives a befitting reply to him and Priyanka. Saturday, the 15th of November 2025. Abhishek tries his best to conceal the truth from everyone. However, he gets panicked as he experiences hallucinations about Shuli at night. Sunday, the 16th of November 2025. Scared of Shuli spooking around, Abhishek calls Tapas to confirm her death. Later, Tunt executes her plan to expose Abhishek's ploy. Monday, the 17th of November 2025. Littu catches Tapas and presents him as a witness against Abhishek. Later, Tunt brings Shuli to reveal Abhishek's crime. Tuesday, the 18th of November 2025. Lahiri family stoop into despair after learning about Abhishek's crime. However, Abhishek comes up with a plan to prove himself innocent. Wednesday, the 19th of November 2025. Sumo takes the blame for molesting Shuli for Abhishek. Later, Ragini asks Abhishek to apologize to Tunt and Shuli for misbehaving with them. Thursday, the 20th of November 2025. Shuli trusts Sumo and leaves with him. While Rangan refuses to believe Tunt's allegations, Abhishek incites hatred for Shuli. Friday, the 21st of November 2025. Abhishek pretends to attempt suicide. Later, Mandira blames Tunt for mentally harassing Abhishek. Saturday, the 22nd of November 2025. Champa arranges Badami's wedding with Tapas. Elsewhere, Tunt brings evidence of how Abhishek has deceived the family by faking a suicide attempt. Sunday, the 23rd of November 2025. Tunt tries to unmask Abhishek's fake suicide but escapes by fabricating the report. Meanwhile, a guilt-ridden Rangan relinquishes his MD post. Monday, the 24th of November 2025. Priyanka takes Tunt's place in the puja but ends up preparing the bhog. Meanwhile, Badami plans to meet Tunt. Tuesday, the 25th of November 2025. Priyanka gets rebuked for ordering the bhog from outside. Later, Tunt gets appreciated for presenting her pre-cooked bhog in the puja. Wednesday, the 26th of November 2025. Priyanka manipulates Rangan and provokes him against Tunt. Meanwhile, Abhishek and Tapas target Badami to take revenge on Tunt. Thursday, the 27th of November 2025. Tunt gets upset after discovering a lipstick mark on Rangan's shirt. Meanwhile, Shruti and Abir urge Tunt to start a fashion vlogging channel. Friday, the 28th of November 2025. Rangan spots Abhishek walking without crutches. Meanwhile, Tunt, with the help of Abir, Shruti, and Lettu, launches her new fashion channel, Basundhara. Saturday, the 29th of November 2025. Rangan questions Abhishek about walking without his crutch. Elsewhere, Tunt shoots her first ever fashion video. Sunday, the 30th of November 2025. Rangan gets suspicious on seeing the same color on Tunt and Abir. Meanwhile, Littu brings a sari woven by Tunt's mother for her.